Hi everyone, I am Manil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I am going to talk about very important topic, loser wise winners. What is the qualities of losers and what is the qualities of winners? What loser will think and what winners will think. I am going to explain. This is very good video. Please have a look full and please get the benefit of this video. We'll come to topic. I have made around 10 points. Loser wise winners. I will going to explain each and every points. Please have a look on. Loser will always says this is impossible. He is always think if any work comes, he will think always negative. He will think that this will not going to complete. This is not possible to complete it from my side. He will always say. But winners not like that. He will say always nothing is impossible. He can do anything in his life. He has always positive attitude. Loser will always have negative attitude, but winners always having positive attitude. So second is this is not, loser will always tell this is not my fault. If anything done mistake by loser, he will not accept it. He will always argue with this is not my fault. Like that he will tell. But winner is not like that. He will say always this is my fault. I will make it right. He do accept what he has done mistake, that he will make correct it, and he will say always I will make it right. Loser always says I am better than many out there. He has always ego. Loser always keep ego, but winners not like that. He is always don't keep any egos in his life. He tell always I am good, but still have to improve. Means he has the satisfaction. He is thinking that I am good, but still every day is struggling to improve, and he himself make as to make improve. This is what this word says. Then next is loser. Loser always think this is the only way to do this. Any assignment will be given, you will think in one direction, you will not think in other direction, you will not think in a multiple direction, you will always think in a narrow minded. But winner not like that. He will tell let's find the best way to do this. You will you will think in a multiple ways. You will find out the answer for that question, or whichever given assignment you will do differently. You will think differently. But loser always think a narrow minded, he doesn't have broader minded. The next point is the loser is always part of the problem. Loser will always a part of the problem, but winner not like that. Winner is always part of the answer. He will find out the answer. You will not think like loser. You will always think, you will find out the answer at any cost. He never lose on his hope. You will find an answer for every problem. But the loser always as an excuse. Loser always as an excuse. Whichever we given assignments used to tell always excuse me, because he couldn't able to complete on the stipulated time. He will always take an excuse. But the winner always has a program. He is always make a program. He has a planning, organizing, directing and controlling of any activities. He will completed the task within the stipulated time. The loser sees a problem in every situation. Loser always think in every situation a negative, always thinking, but winner always sees an answer for every problem. You will always think positively and you will find out the answer for every problem. A loser makes promises. Wherever he goes, he makes only fake promises, but he don't make that promise successful. But winner makes always commitments. Instead of making promise, winner always makes commitments. He makes commitments, he will fulfill that commitment without any fail. He will accomplish that commitment whichever he committed. A loser have a schemes, but a winner has a dreams. A winner always dreams big. Loser always make a schemes but will not execute. He has a lot of analytical skills, especially losers. They have planning skills, they have a lot of analytical skills, they have estimated many things in their mind, but they will not going to execute. They wanted to take any risk in their life, but loser, winner not like that. He don't do much planning, I don't do much analytical things, but you will always think it is possible, I can do, I can achieve. Like that you will be thinking very positively always. A loser see problem in every situation, but winner see possibilities in every situation. Loser always sees problem where whatever he see, you will find always problems, you will find only negative things, you will not extract like gold things, you will extract only wastage of gold, whichever what you call ores are there, no, in that you will find out always waste mud, whichever you will think like that. But winner will see only gold things, means positive things in that any matter. You will make possibilities in each and every situation. That is the reason winners always leaders, loser always losers. They will not become a leaders, they will always thinking negative and always kindling, gossiping so many things, and they will spoil their life also, and they will spoil other life also. This is how it is happening at present. So please always be a winner. You will have you should have a positive attitude to complete your, you should keep big goal in your life, so that we can always be a winner. You have to think like a winner. You should adopt positive attitude in your always in your life, so that you will always become a winner. Leaders are always winner. He takes responsibilities, he they takes a lead of their teams. But loser, they will escape from the team, they will be alone. But winners are not like that, winners are leaders, they will take a lead of their team. So I think this video has got an idea what is the loser and what is the winner and their definitions, so that if you adopt in your life winner qualities, definitely you will be successful. Thank you.